Bret, you're an educator.
If you're faced with an engine that doesn't start, you can't argue it into starting. You have to figure out what the thing is that has caused it to fail. And then there's a great reward when you alter that thing and suddenly it fires up. So I'm a big fan of being as light-handed as possible and as concrete as possible in teaching. In other words, when I've done it, and not just with students, but with my own children, I like to say as little as possible, and I like to let physical systems tell the person when they've succeeded or failed, and that creates an understanding. You can extrapolate from one system to the next, and you know that you're not just extrapolating from one person's misunderstanding, you're extrapolating from the way things actually work.